Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, development of next generation submarine launched torpedo. NTSL recently issued an expression of interest inviting prospective partners to the development and production of a cutting-edge heavyweight torpedo designed for deployment on Indian naval platforms. The ambitious endeavor, part of the P-75 platform initiative, aims to equip the Indian Navy with a formidable weapon to counter contemporary maritime threats effectively. Next, Tejas and Rafale to get Rudram One Arm next. The Defense Research and Development Organization of India is on the brink of achieving a major milestone in its defense capabilities with the impending final user and developmental trials of its indigenous anti-radiation missile Rudram One. Next, NG destroyer RFP likely by. In the ever-evolving landscape of naval warfare, India's next-generation destroyer, that is NGD, colloquially referred to as Project 18, is emerging as a symbol of the nation's commitment to maritime security and technological advancement. Next, India nearing acquisition of 31 MQ9B drones from the United States. India is in the final stages of preparing a letter of request to send to the US government for the procurement of 31 MQ9B drones from General Atomics, according to a top defense officials. The LOR will encompass the requirement of all three services and will be vetted and finalized by the Defense Ministry. It is expected to be sent within the next month. USVs and UUVs, defense innovation with Indus-X. The US Department of Defense has announced the inaugural meeting of the Indus-X Senior Advisory Group in partnership with the Indian Ministry of Defense. Indus-X serves as a platform for both governments to exchange innovative ideas aimed at bolstering their defense acceleration ecosystems. USV is unmanned surface vehicles and UUVs is unmanned underwater vehicles. Next, trimming of F-35 jet delivery outlook after supplier delays by Lockheed Martin. US weapon maker Lockheed Martin cut its full-year delivery forecast for F-35 jets as delays at supplier L3Harris Technologies held up development of an upgraded version of the aircraft, the company said on Wednesday. Next, border infrastructure development on LAC is taking place. India's border infrastructure has been a topic of significant attention, especially in the wake of the standoff with China along the contested line of actual control in eastern Ladakh more than 3 years ago. In an exclusive interview, Border Roads Organization, that is BRO Chief Lieutenant General Rajiv Chaudhary, shed light on their remarkable progress in closing the gap with China in terms of border infrastructure. Next, deployment of high-tech drones in border areas. Indigenous drones have been deployed along the border in the northern and the western sectors of Jammu and Kashmir to counter adversaries, a senior army official said on Wednesday. The Indian Army is also focusing on artificial intelligence as has begun a process in this direction. Next, Japan joins India and China's neighbors in rejecting Beijing's new map. Japan has joined India, the Philippines, Malaysia, Vietnam and Taiwan to lodge protests against China over its new standard map for including the disputed Senkaku Islands in the East China Sea as part of its territory. Japan Chief Cabinet Secretary Hirokazu Matsuno told the media in Tokyo on Tuesday that Japan has lodged a strong protest to China through diplomatic channels over a new map released by Beijing last month. Next, PM Modi arrives in Indonesia to attend ASEAN India East Asia Summits. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Indonesia on Thursday morning to attend the ASEAN India and the East Asia Summits, during which he will discuss the future contours of India's partnership with the countries in the strategically important region. Thank you.